In this video, I will show you how to connect OpenAI with Watts Automate CRM step by step. First, we will set up a welcome message. Inside the flow builder, you can choose the type of message you want to send. You can select an image message, a video, an audio file, or even a button message. For this demo, I am using a button message so the user can easily choose an option. Next, we will add a condition based on the button click. This means when a user clicks a specific button, a different action will be triggered. After that, we will add the AI node. Now, inside the AI settings, we will add the information related to our business. This helps the AI understand what your company does and how it should respond to customers. Then we paste our OpenAI API key to activate the AI responses. Here, I am creating two separate AI nodes for two different services. This allows the bot to give specific and relevant answers based on what the user selects. But if you want to keep things simple, you can also use just one AI node. Once everything is connected, our setup is complete. Now let's send a test message to see how it works in real time. As you can see, the welcome message appears, the buttons are working, and the AI is replying based on the selected service. And that's how you can connect OpenAI with Watts Automate CRM and automate your customer conversations.